Hello, this is Vance.
And Jackie.
And we're here to give our review testimonial of Wholesaling Inc. First off, the experience is fantastic. The people are knowledgeable, their expertise, they give amazing instruction, not education, they give instruction. And they're actively doing it. I mean, they're actively working in this business and providing us amazing advice that's very relevant. And our experience with the tribe has been just amazing.
It really has. The support alone that we get has really been phenomenal. Going out on these acquisitions appointments to be able to meet with sellers, being completely out of your comfort zone, and being able to have the support for all the amazing tribe members out there. They truly care. It's what's made this business successful for us.
Yes, and one of the reasons why we're doing this in our cars, we just came back from closing yet another deal. We've done 5 deals already. We've got 4 in the pipeline right now, and I mean, this is just our first year starting off here. And hands down, the best mentors you can sign up with. These are people that are like #1 in the game, in my opinion. I mean, you have Krol, Cody Hofhine, even Brent Daniels from TTP. I mean, there's so much value that you get from this. So that little investment is hands down nothing compared to what you're going to get in the end.
The forum with Bill Rafter.
Oh, Bill,
night
yes.
and day.
Yeah, we can't
You can't compare with that one because he gets some really good answers for you for any of the tricky questions that might come along.
Yep. So, if you're hesitating or you're wondering if it's worth it, jump in. Don't stop. Just get in there.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.